What stops you from success? Most times, it is fear. The key to break fear is confidence. Without confidence, we miss chances. With confidence, we win life. This is Arjun's story. He was shy. He was afraid to speak. But he learned step by step. He built confidence slowly. In this story, you will learn 12 easy steps. Each step will make you stronger. Listen till the end. It can change your journey too. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Global English Tales. Stay with us. Your journey begins now. How to build self-confidence. Step 1. The doubt begins. Arjun always felt small. He thought others were better. In class, he stayed quiet. He avoided eye contact. His heart was full of fear. He asked himself, "Am I good enough?" Every failure made him weaker. Every comment hurt him more. He compared himself to friends. He never believed in his own value. One day, he looked at the mirror. He saw a sad face. He thought, "I need to change." This was the start of his journey. The first step was awareness. Arjun knew he could not hide forever. Self-confidence was missing in his life. He decided to find it, even if the path was hard. He took a deep breath and promised himself, "I will try." Step 2. Facing the mirror. Arjun stood in front of the mirror. He looked carefully at himself. He saw fear in his eyes. He saw weakness in his posture. But he also saw hope. He whispered, "This is me." For the first time, he accepted truth. He was not perfect. He had strengths. He had weaknesses. He smiled softly. He realized confidence starts with honesty. Running away never helps. Facing reality builds courage. He wrote down his good qualities. He also wrote his weak points. The list was small, but it was real. This small act gave him power. Self-confidence begins with self-awareness. He looked again in the mirror. This time, his smile was bigger. Step 3. The first small step. Arjun wanted change, but he felt nervous. So, he started small. He decided to greet people. Just a simple hello. It was not easy. His voice shook. But he did it. People smiled back. That smile gave him energy. He felt a little stronger. Small steps matter. Confidence grows slowly. Every hello became easier. Every smile gave courage. He learned progress is not fast, but progress is real. Even a tiny step is victory. Confidence is like a muscle. It grows with practice. Arjun felt proud. He was no longer frozen. His journey had truly started. Step 4. The power of positive words. Arjun always spoke badly to himself. He said, "I cannot." He said, "I am weak." But then, he changed. He learned about self-talk. He began to use positive words. "I can try. I am learning. I am improving." At first, it felt strange. But slowly, it felt natural. Words carry power. Negative words break. Positive words build. Every day, he repeated affirmations. He wrote them on paper. He read them aloud. His heart felt lighter. His mind felt stronger. Confidence begins inside. Arjun discovered this secret. The more he spoke kindly, the more he believed in himself. Step 5. Learning new skills. Arjun realized confidence grows with knowledge. He decided to learn something new. He joined a small computer class. At first, he was afraid. He thought others would laugh. But everyone was busy learning. Slowly, he understood lessons. He practiced daily. Mistakes happened, but he kept trying. Every success gave him joy. Every lesson gave him courage. Learning built his inner strength. Confidence does not come from wishing. It comes from action. When you learn, you grow. When you grow, you shine. Arjun felt proud of his progress. This new skill made him stronger. He knew he could handle more. Confidence was now becoming his friend. Step 6. Facing fear. Fear always stopped Arjun. He feared speaking in public. He feared making mistakes. But one day, he decided he would not run anymore. He joined a small debate. His hands shook. His voice cracked. But he spoke. He finished his turn. He sat down, sweating. Yet he smiled. Because he faced his fear. Confidence means acting despite fear, not waiting for fear to disappear. Every time he faced fear, it became smaller. He became bigger. He understood bravery is practice. Courage grows when you use it. That day, Arjun felt stronger. He realized fear cannot control him. Step 7. Surrounding with positivity. Arjun noticed people around him. Some gave support. Some pulled him down. He chose carefully. He spent time with positive people. They encouraged him. They shared hope. They smiled often. Their energy lifted him. Negativity disappeared slowly. Positive company built his strength. He avoided gossip. He avoided criticism. He looked for kindness. Good friends became his team. Together, they grew stronger. Confidence grows faster in light. Negative people spread darkness. Positive people spread courage. Arjun now understood this truth. Surroundings matter more than we think. With positivity, self-confidence became easier. He felt lighter, brighter, and happier. Step 8. The habit of practice. Confidence is not magic. It is practice. Arjun made practice a habit. He practiced speaking daily. He practiced smiling. He practiced standing tall. Every practice made him stronger. At first, he failed often. But he learned. Confidence is built, not given. Practice creates belief. Belief creates action. Action creates success. He kept repeating this cycle. Even on hard days, he tried. Even when tired, he practiced. His small efforts added up. Slowly, he became natural. Confidence now looked effortless. But behind it was hard work. Practice gave him power. Arjun realized confidence is a daily exercise. Step 9. Celebrating small wins. Arjun used to ignore success. He only saw failure. Now, he changed. He celebrated small wins. He smiled after every try. He rewarded himself. Even small progress mattered. Confidence grew when success was noticed. Each step deserved respect. He learned gratitude. He thanked himself for effort. He stopped being harsh. Instead, he encouraged his heart. This built motivation. He felt joy. He felt pride. Small wins created big strength. Arjun's confidence rose slowly. He no longer waited for big victories. Even small ones gave power. Confidence is built step by step. Every small win became his fuel. Step 10. Learning from failure. Failure once crushed Arjun. He cried after mistakes. He felt useless. But now, he changed. He saw failure as teacher. He asked, "What did I learn?" Every mistake gave a lesson. He wrote them down. He promised not to repeat. Slowly, failure became friend. Confidence means not fearing failure. It means standing again. He realized successful people also fail, but they do not stop. They rise again. He copied this habit. Every fall became a chance. Every chance built courage. Arjun smiled even after mistakes. Failure lost its power. Confidence grew stronger. Now, failure became a step to success. Step 11. Believing in the future. Arjun began to dream. He saw a bright future. He imagined himself confident. He imagined success. This vision gave energy. Belief in tomorrow gave strength today. He wrote goals on paper. He read them daily. Confidence needs direction. Without goals, effort is lost. He kept his goals small. Step by step, he moved. Every day, his future looked closer. He felt alive. He felt focused. Hope became his fuel. Faith became his shield. Confidence grew from belief. Arjun trusted himself. He trusted his journey. The future was no longer scary. It was waiting for him. Step 12. The new Arjun. Arjun changed completely. He walked tall. He spoke clearly. He smiled often. Fear was smaller now. Confidence was bigger. He remembered his old self. Quiet, weak, and afraid. But now, he was new. He had grown strong. He had learned courage. He believed in himself. Confidence had become his nature. His journey was long, but every step mattered. He knew confidence is not final. It is a journey. Every day is practice. Every day is growth. Arjun was proud. He was no longer hiding. He was shining. This was the power of self-confidence. Arjun changed his life. He built courage. He found his voice. Confidence grows with practice. Small steps make big change. Wins give you strength. Failures teach you lessons. Believe in yourself first. Your future depends on your belief. If Arjun can do it, you can too. Start today. Be louder. Be braver. Your best story is waiting. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to Global English Tales. Your support inspires us. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep shining.